Everything you've ever believed about reality, see, every philosophy, every scripture, every teaching has been made of words. But the truth you are seeking does not live in language. Words can point toward truth, but they can never contain it. Words divide. They cut reality into pieces, self and other, good and bad, spiritual and unspiritual. But reality is not divided. Reality is seamless, and words are the knife that slices it. Language can describe surfaces, but awakening happens beneath language. There comes a point on the path where more concepts don't help, books don't help, ideas don't help. You've collected enough teachings to fill libraries, and yet something remains untouched because truth is not understood. Truth is recognized. Every awakened teacher in history faced this problem. They experienced something infinite and tried to describe it using finite sounds. So they spoke in metaphors, poetry, paradox, because direct language could never hold what they knew. The Tao that can be spoken is not the eternal Tao. If Zen speaks of no self and you have not experienced the original face, it will not make sense to you. Advaita Vedanta calls it Turiya. The light isn't mine, it is what I am. To remember the light you are is the true teaching. Words are made of symbols. The symbol light is not light itself. The word love is not love itself. The concept awareness is not awareness. You cannot drink the word water. You must find the river. Awakening is drinking, not talking about water. Before language, before thought, there is a direct knowing, a silent recognition of what is real. You already know this space. You touch it in meditation, in silence, in moments of awe where words fall away. That is closer to truth than 1,000 scriptures. If you try to think your way into awakening, you will stay trapped in language. The mind wants a verbal explanation, but reality must be experienced. Like trying to explain music to someone who has never heard sound. Only silence reveals it. So listen beneath these words now, not to what is said, but to the silent awareness hearing it. That silence is the only place truth can live. This was episode 7 of the Awakening Roadmap. Next, episode 8, Enter Through Silence. The doorway to awakening is not thought, it is stillness. Download the full 24-step roadmap below and walk this path consciously. Watch this next video to continue your blissful journey in luminosity. Enter the light within.